Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to delete drafts on TikTok. Firstly guys, you need to go on the profile section on your right side, and then as you can see here on my left side, they are appearing the draft sites which are included in your account. What you need to do is just simply you need to select the draft, and right after that you need just to click on the draft, and here they're gonna give you a chance for adding on your post site. But what you need to do is just get back again and get again. Right after here guys, you need just to simply go click on the draft, but not just by clicking, you need to hold. Yeah, right after that they will give you a chance for deleting this draft. Click on delete draft, they will ask you again, go delete. And now guys, with that we have deleted our draft on TikTok. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.